You've probably heard that essential oils can help with stress, but have you ever wondered which ones actually work and how to use them safely? Well, today I'll show you a few of my favorite essential oils for stress and anxiety relief and how to get the most calm from each, even if you're brand new to oils and natural wellness. Hi, I'm Faye Epps, a nutritionist and certified health coach. And after more than 30 years of teaching health and wellness, I've seen how small, natural habits like using the right essential oils can calm the body and mind, actually faster than what most people expect. Have you ever bought a bottle of oil, taken a few sniffs, and thought, why am I still stressed? Well, don't worry, it's not just you. You see, the key isn't just the scent. It's also knowing which essential oil to use and how to use it. Once you learn that, these little bottles become powerful tools for relaxation. Let me tell you about a few of my favorites that truly make a difference. The first one, lavender. Think all things calming. Lavender is one of my go-tos for tension and restlessness. It helps your body shift from alert to relaxed. One of the best ways to use it, put a drop in the palm of your hand, gently rub, cup, and bring up to your mouth and nose. And inhale deeply. Instant relax. Number 2, citrus oils, or uplifting reset, or what I like to call my happy oils. Essential oils like wild orange, lemon, bergamot, they lift mood and ease anxious feelings. They're perfect for those midday stress breaks or afternoon pick-me-ups. Again, one of the best ways to use it, put a drop in the palm of your hand, rub gently, cup, and inhale. You can also put a few drops in a diffuser if you have one, or add a drop or two to a cotton ball and sniff that. Number 3, frankincense, grounding support. Frankincense helps clear your mind, deepens your breathing, and increases focus. I love it for quiet reflection and meditation. One of the best ways to use it is just take a drop and swipe under your nose. Or you could put a drop on the pulse points like your wrists and behind your ears. You could also put it in the palm of your hand and do some deep breathing that way. The fourth way is actually blending the oils together. By combining oils together, you enhance their effect. Try lavender and citrus for calm clarity, lavender and frankincense for deeper feelings of groundedness, or wild orange and frankincense for an uplifting, grounded feeling. How to use it? You got it. Put a drop in the palm of your hands, gently rub, cup, and inhale. Or put a drop on your pulse points, behind your ears, or in a diffuser. Experiment by combining the different essential oils to see which ones are good for you. In other words, your calm, your way. Remember, it's not about collecting bottles. It's about finding the right essential oils that help your body relax. These oils are simple, powerful, natural tools that help calm your mind and body. And when you pair them with mindful breathing, the results are actually multiplied. If you'd like a guided breathing practice to use with your oils, just grab my free 2-minute stress relief audio. The link is below. I'll walk you through a simple 4-7-8 breathing pattern that amplifies the oil's calming effects. And if this video helped you feel a little more relaxed today, hit subscribe so you don't miss next week's video. I'll be talking about how to stop stress eating at night and finally find that freedom with food. See you then.